Today we'll talk about how can you get premium on your pickup. We go to figure out this solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this way and it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, just click on me down here in this sign. So when you just click on it here, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do now, so you just click here on upgrade to Pro here. When you just click on it, so then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. And there can you select if you want to add lifetime or yearly or monthly here. So I'm going to click here on monthly for example here. Then it's going to show for you list like this. In here add credit or debit card. Then it's going to add with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.